The year is 2026. For generations, we dreamed of the future. We imagined flying cars and cities in the sky. But the future didn't arrive with a bang. It seeped into our lives, quietly, thoughtfully. By 2026, technology didn't just evolve. It stepped into our world. It wasn't about replacing what we had, but enhancing who we are. This is the story of a new era, a time when artificial intelligence and robotics became not just tools, but partners in our daily existence. A time when humanity learned to collaborate with its own creation. For decades, robots were confined to factory floors, hidden behind safety cages, performing repetitive tasks. They were powerful, but distant, impersonal. That all changed. By 2026, the walls came down, literally and figuratively. Now, walking through a modern manufacturing plant, you'll see something extraordinary. A human worker and a robotic arm, working in perfect sync on the same assembly line. The robot lifts a heavy component, holding it steady with precision beyond human capability, while the person beside it performs the delicate wiring. There's no fear, only a seamless partnership. These new collaborative robots, or cobots, are equipped with advanced sensors. They can feel a gentle touch, sense a human presence, and stop instantly to avoid any harm. They've moved beyond the factories too. In our bustling city centers, service robots glide through public squares, collecting litter and answering questions from tourists. They're not just machines, they're becoming part of the community's fabric. The key shift in our mindset was understanding that robots are coworkers, not replacements. They handle the mundane, the strenuous, the dangerous, freeing us humans to focus on what we do best: creativity, critical thinking, and complex problem solving. It's a symphony of steel and flesh, logic and intuition, working together. But what gives these machines their grace? Their ability to adapt. The answer lies in the invisible network that connects them all: artificial intelligence. I is the brain behind the brawn. It's the silent, learning consciousness that allows a robot to not just follow a command, but to understand its environment. Imagine a delivery bot navigating a busy sidewalk. It's not just following a pre-programmed path. Its AI is processing thousands of data points every second: a child chasing a ball, the sudden stop of a cyclist, the changing traffic light. It predicts, it reacts, it learns. We've watched these machines learn in ways that mimic our own, but at an accelerated pace, through a process called imitation learning. A robot can observe a human expert performing a task like delicately potting a plant or sorting recycled materials and replicate the movements with astonishing accuracy after just a few demonstrations. This is what makes them so versatile. The same AI that guides a surgical assistant bot with millimeter precision can also help a logistics robot find the most efficient route through a chaotic warehouse. This isn't a rigid, top-down programming model. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving intelligence, constantly getting smarter, faster, and more attuned to the human world it serves. The tone is always calm, always intelligent, because the goal of this AI isn't to outthink us, but to understand us better. This quiet integration has fundamentally reshaped our daily lives. At home, the changes are subtle but profound. Your kitchen assistant doesn't just play music, it monitors your pantry, suggests recipes based on what you have, and adds ingredients to your shopping list. When you get a package, it might be delivered by a small, unassuming robot that navigates your neighborhood with quiet efficiency. But nowhere is the impact more meaningful than in healthcare. In hospitals and assisted living facilities, robots have become compassionate helpers. They assist nurses by delivering medications, taking vitals, or simply providing company to elderly patients. A robotic exoskeleton might help a stroke survivor regain the ability to walk. Its sensors providing gentle support and feedback. These machines aren't replacing the human touch of a doctor or caregiver. They are extending it, allowing healthcare professionals to spend less time on logistics and more quality time with their patients. The most successful technology is the one you barely notice. The one that works in the background to make life safer, easier, and more connected. It's technology that helps quietly, without demanding the spotlight. Of course, this new world didn't appear without careful consideration. The rise of intelligent machines brought with it a host of complex ethical questions. How do we ensure safety? How do we build trust? And ultimately, who is responsible when an autonomous system makes a mistake? These aren't just technical problems, they are deeply human ones. In response, governments and corporations established human oversight panels, bringing together engineers, ethicists, lawyers, and sociologists to create new frameworks for the age of AI. Every autonomous system deployed in a public space operates under strict protocols, with multiple fail-safes and, crucially, a human-in-the-loop system for critical decisions. The goal is accountability. We are designing these systems to be transparent, so we can understand why they make the choices they do. Building trust is a slow process, earned through reliability, safety, and a shared sense of purpose. We are the architects of this technology, and with that power comes a profound responsibility to guide it with wisdom and foresight, ensuring it always serves humanity's best interests. So, what lies beyond 2026? This is just the beginning. We're now seeing robots venture into places too dangerous for humans. From deep-sea exploration to disaster recovery zones, sifting through rubble to find survivors. Our cities are getting smarter, with interconnected systems managing traffic, energy, and public services to create more sustainable and livable urban environments. The collaboration we see today is a blueprint for the future. The potential is limitless. But the most important lesson we've learned is that the future of technology isn't about robots replacing us. It's not a competition. It's about technology helping us become more human. By automating the repetitive, we unlock our own potential for creativity and empathy. By connecting us with information, we foster greater understanding. And by solving some of our biggest challenges, we free ourselves to focus on building a better world together. As the sun sets over a city that hums with the quiet energy of human and machine collaboration, we see a reflection of our journey. We didn't build this future to escape our humanity, but to embrace it more fully. We built it with our hands, our minds, and our hearts. The future isn't a world of cold machines. It's a world built by humans and powered by the intelligence we created. The story of tomorrow is one we are writing together, a partnership between creator and creation, a testament to what we can achieve when we blend the best of technology with the best of ourselves. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on our shared future in the comments below.